This is an emergency action notification message. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, all stations will be on the air to provide information and news to the public in assigned areas. This station will continue to serve the Kansas City area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to another station to receive information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Kansas City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. Here is a statement from the White House. Earlier today, at 1:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have discovered that the moon is out of orbit and is coming closer to the planet. It has been confirmed by many NASA scientists that the moon is on a direct collision course towards Earth. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do to stop this from happening, and this collision will mean that our world is coming to an end. The moon is set to collide with our planet in 6 days. We advise all American citizens to enjoy these final days. Spend time with your friends and family, make peace with others, make peace with yourself, and repent. There will be an emergency action termination when the moon is about to make impact. Until then, try to enjoy your final days. Thank you and God bless America.
Civil danger warning for Jackson County until midnight tomorrow. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Jackson County Police Department. At around 5 p.m. today, many riots have broken out across the country, mainly in downtown Kansas City. The cause of these riots are due to the message that the United States government made earlier today about the moon colliding into Earth. Do not join these riots or else you will be arrested, or even shot. Everyone is advised to go to your homes now. If you are still out by 7 p.m., you will be arrested and questioned by the police. Stay tuned for further information on the situation.